Man, this feel incredible. I'll turn you to a bride. You're mine. Hands on your body, I don't wanna waste no time.
So I got this, and I'm not really sure what any of it says, but basically I ordered a munch pack off Amazon, and it's just like a Japanese kind, and it just has all these different Japanese candies. So I'm really excited for you guys to see this, and let's just get into the video. So the first thing I see is this. I mean, it looks like cheese puffs, but I'm not sure what it says, but like it has an onion right there, so I'm guessing it tastes like onions. But yeah. The second thing I see are, they're shaped like as rings, and I guess those are like orange corns. I'm not sure, but they look good. The next thing is, it says Poor Ricky, and it just has all these vegetables here and like onions, and they're just sticks, and I guess they taste like vegetables, peppers. And what the heck, guys? Do I see a freaking octopus on this? I'm kind of scared to try this because they put an octopus on candy, but okay. So this one just feels like a really long like Cheeto. Like, you know what Cheetos are? But yeah, I'm not sure what it is, but like it's really feels crunchy. I'm not really sure what this is. It looks like monkeys on the cover, and I guess they're just like mini chocolate balls. They also feel like crunchy, like the cereal kind, but yeah, it just has like a little dog there. Oh my gosh. So then this one just says Pandaroo, and which is like a panda, I guess in their language they call it a Pandaroo. And then it just has
No, it
just has
that's in English.
It just has a panda on the cover, and they look like mini panda cookies. The next thing are these shamams.
Yeah,
what are these called? Melon?
Yeah.
So the next thing are just these like candy melons, and it just has a little wire right there. And yeah, these look really good. I want to try these. So this one I'm very confused about, but it just has a bottle squirting out something. And I think this thing right here is like a little sauce. And then it looks like bread or something in the back. Like a tortilla or something. Like a tortilla or something. More like hurricane tortilla! And then this is just a mini bottle of, it looks like strawberry maybe? It's just like mini, I'm guessing this is a candy.
No, duh.
And I see these two things. I'm guessing are like the other long cheese puff thing. This one just has like a soccer ball with a man, and then this one just like corn. This might taste like corn, I'm just guessing. Yeah. And I see another one of them. Yeah. I'm not sure what this is. But it looks like, I thought it was like mini ramen noodles. And the next thing I see is this mini marshmallow. It feels like one. And yeah, it's really cute. This looks like a chocolate bar. like a wafer or something. But these look really good. I want to try these. But yeah, I can't read any of the ingredients or anything because I can't read Japanese. Sorry, guys. Okay, guys, so I just noticed that I can't read any of the ingredients on these candies, which makes me kind of scared to try them. And they look good, some of them. So, basically, I see these 3 candies. This one's like a marshmallow, like the other one. This sounds really cool. I think it's like mini gumball candies, like you know the ones they sell in America. I'm not really sure what they're called though, but they're like mini gum. And this one's just a mini. It looks like a strawberry candy. You know the grandmas they used to give us. So thanks for watching. If you guys like this video, just make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you're new to my channel. And comment down below what you guys want me to do for my next video. Bye.